Hello, my dear ladies. Hello, my dear gentlemen. Liz Hurley is wearing the same Versace dress as 27 years ago. That's nothing special. My suits are almost all even older, and I've been wearing some of them for 30 years. Always these stupid reports. Besides, it doesn't even have to be true in the age of Photoshop, etc. I read that she's had some cosmetic surgery, of course. What does that even say? Does it make her better than other women? The media wants to discriminate against normal women. I'm saying that now, just like everyone else claims about every bit of nonsense. It's true. Most women, especially Liz Hurley's age, 61, feel bad looking at her bikini photos. By the way, you hardly ever see any photos of her other than in a bikini. And then her pose is stretching, so she looks even slimmer. I've only ever seen photos of her in a bikini in that stretching pose. It's all a show. Probably all fake again. Every normal woman thinks, I don't look like that. It's crazy. How does she do it? And suddenly she feels bad, inferior. What's the point of all these fake lies? None of it is true. Women are portrayed in the media as mere commodities, reduced to their physical attributes. And even those aren't true. My dear ladies, laugh about it, because it's ridiculous. Just as ridiculous as women like Meghan Markle, Lauren Sanchez, Cher, Madonna, or it's endless. Horrible. All these ladies desperately want to get into the media because they are getting on in years. It's perfectly logical. It's all PR. But our lives aren't PR. We don't need it. We need love, warmth, charm, honesty, and principles. We've experienced a lot, highs and lows. We know life and people, and we see through them with our life experience. We radiate all that is good, all that is human, quite unlike the aforementioned individuals. All these women are divorced for much times, constantly have new male acquaintances, and a dubious reputation. Absolutely not ladylike. But they have the terrible media, which spreads every lie and piece of nonsense about them. It's the only thing they have left in their lives. It's truly sad. And when depression adds new wrinkles onto their fake faces, they go back under the knife of the plastic surgery. For me, these women are wrecks. soulless, calculating, cold, and self-centered. No role models, nothing. And they pose a danger to young girls because they are susceptible to the fakes, the lies. In short, the media seduces young people. It's so irresponsible, but everyone goes along with it, on and on. Today, parents have to work incredibly hard to combat this evil. I wonder how long this terror will continue. Have a good day.